Welcome to my channel, and today I am sharing oven baked turkey recipe. Ingredients are very simple. I am using these ingredients for 12 lb, which is equivalent to just under 5.5 kg turkey. Oregano 1 teaspoon, garlic 1 teaspoon, ginger 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 3 teaspoon, cumin 3 teaspoon, coriander 3 teaspoon, salt I am using 3.5 teaspoon, but you can increase or decrease according to your taste. Take a small bowl and add all ingredient in mixing bowl and mix all ingredients. In separate bowl add 1 teaspoon chopped rosemary and 1 cup butter at room temperature. Also I am adding 1.5 tablespoon mixed spices. Now mix all the ingredients. I am losing the turkey skin so I can add the butter in the skin. Butter will moisten the turkey and it will also enhance taste for the bird as well. After losing the skin from one side, repeat the same process on the other side and top as well. Now add butter and spread it. I am using the finger to apply it all the way, but there is another way. You can make a ball, put it on the one side and then hold the skin from the top and squeeze with the other hand so it will also equally spread on the turkey. I added the butter on one side. Now repeat the same process on the other side and top as well. Turn turkey around and apply some butter on the top and then add butter in the cavity as well. I placed turkey in the baking pan, adding some rosemary, onion, zucchini, and celery. You can use any other vegetable as well, but if you want to bake without adding vegetable, you can skip this part. After adding vegetables, sprinkle mixed spices on top and bake for 8 minutes. I set the oven temperature at 220 Celsius, which is equivalent to 430 Fahrenheit. After 8 minutes, I took it out from the oven and it looked like this. I am covering turkey with the foil and will bake it again at 120 Celsius, which is equivalent to 250 Fahrenheit for 4 hours. After 4 hours, I remove it from the oven, let it cool down for 2 minutes and remove foil. It looked perfectly cooked, but before putting into the serving dish, taste it once. If you think that it's still not cooked, then put it back in the oven. Another tip, if the color is not golden as shown, then you can apply some melted butter on the top and bake it without foil for 4 to 5 minutes at 220 Celsius. If you like the video, do not forget to provide the comment in the comment box and share the video. Until the next video, goodbye.